You've probably heard or seen people using nicotine pouches these days. Zyn, a really popular brand. These pouches growing in popularity with sales up more than 540% between August and December of 2019 and then January and March of 2022. Well, some people who use these pouches will say it's a cleaner way to use nicotine since there's no tobacco in the product. But experts say there could be a number of health effects. I spoke with one doctor at Roswell Park who's studying the effects of using these pouches.
We have concerns about the effects of the nicotine itself. It has the, of course, addiction potential. It has the cardiovascular effects. And also we don't know really what's going on in the oral health when the people are using those products. The nicotine is delivered in some kind of cleaner form, but it doesn't mean that it's completely safe.
So many social media influencers rave about this product, using them to stay focused in college or maybe at their job. But now there's a new push from some influencers to use a different kind of pouch, a caffeine pouch. It's something a lot of teens are trying, and as our 7 News reporter Jordan Johnson reports, experts are concerned about the direct rush of caffeine into your bloodstream.
So the caffeine pouches are really rapidly absorbed, and so what can happen is your heart rate can go up pretty darn fast, and that can cause heart arrhythmias.
These pouches contain anywhere from 25 milligrams to 200 milligrams of caffeine, and it can be a dangerous mix for teenagers. Some researchers found excessive caffeine in adolescents can cause nervousness, irritability, nausea, cardiovascular symptoms, sleep impairment, osteoporosis, and gastric ulcers. These pouches can be bought on Amazon, TikTok, and even at gas stations, and with no federal oversight.
Anything that's unregulated, supplements, things like that, it's very dangerous. You don't know what you're actually eating.
Willie Eggleston, the assistant director of the Upstate New York Poison Center, says if parents find these products, to have a chat with their children.
I think the most important thing for teenagers to know is that it's one of those things we want to make sure we use in moderation.
And check the labels to know how much they are consuming.
So I'm reassured by these pouches that they're in individual dose sizes. I think it will hopefully help teens to realize, what is a safe dose and reduce those risks of them accidentally taking too much. So we encourage folks to read the labels, read the instructions, and to always use low doses before you know how they affect you.
While these caffeine pouches are promoted as a way to stay focused and get a boost of energy, Dr. Turkovich recommends parents ensure their teens aren't using too many of them.
So I think the best thing is to educate teens and help them understand the real significant dangers associated with these. From a hydration perspective, really encourage water or Gatorade and make sure that they're looking at the amount of caffeine in everything they're doing.
Jordan Johnson, 7 News, Buffalo.